Hello everyone! Today we will see what things we can do inside the house. You can see that we have got some paints, we have got some colorful pencils and some oil pastels. We have got some sketchbooks and a camera and even some colorful paper, scissors and origami. We will learn how to make a little swan out of the paper. We can read books and we can play board games. But first of all, we can play with the cat that is right here. The little kitty came to play with us. I cannot draw very well, but my sister can. And here, these are my sister's sketchbooks. Here, in her old sketchbook. Look. First, we can see a sketch. And what did she do it with? Did she draw it with a colorful pencil? No. Did she color with some oil pastels? No. Did she put some paint on it? No. She used a pencil. You can sketch with a pencil. What else? You can also write. You can write with a pen. Write with a pen. But I cannot paint. I cannot write over it because this is all done. You can also sketch a beautiful rose. You can also paint with oil pastels. Look, here she painted this beautiful picture, and the author is of course Vincent van Gogh. But she did it all by herself. She used oil pastels. Well, not green, but other colors. Some blue, yellow, black and brown. She can also draw with some colorful pencils. She can use some blue colorful pencil, some pink pencil, and yellow and green and black. And I think there is one more nice picture. Let's see. Ah, look, here she drew a beautiful picture of a mermaid with a beautiful fishtail. And here she wrote, "Save the mermaids." When you are inside, you can also take a picture with a camera, just like that. This is a very old camera. That's why it's a little bit broken. Look. Here there is a tape because the flash keeps going up. But be careful. Remember to always put this on you so that you don't drop it. And you have to remember to take off the lid and then look inside the camera and take a picture. Click. You can do some poses, like that, like that. You can also do some collages. Look, here you need some colorful paper and you need some scissors And you need some cutouts from some papers. Look, this is my sister's file. There is a beautiful little fish. It's a very beautiful, colorful fish. There are some little pieces of a picture. What else? Some beautiful woman here. Even some religious pictures. Well, very interesting things. So, to do it, we need to cut out something. Let's take our little fish. We need some glue. We glue the little picture, stick it here, and then we take another one. Maybe let's take... Okay, there is some picture here. We can glue it and then stick it here. What else? Oh, there is... Oh, maybe something nice there. There is another fish, look! There is another fish. Maybe this fish can swim here. We stick it there. And the last picture will be... Ooh, a picture of a city. Maybe this can be here. Oh, but it's upside down. Okay. And then you can create a beautiful picture just like that. You can even draw something on it. And I think it will be nice as well. You can also read some books. You can read a book about space and some astronauts. This is from Disney, so let's see what they show here. There is Disney. There is Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse and Donald Duck and Daisy and Pluto and Goofy. And here they are learning about space. But this is in Polish. I think I would like to read a book in English, not in Polish. If I want to have some fun, I can read a book about Harry Potter. This is my favorite book and it's so big and all in English. I will read it later as well. What I also like to do in my free time inside the house is play board games. Here there is a board game called Spacewalk, but I haven't played it in a long time. Look, there are some planets here and there are some little spaceships, I think, and some little black coins. And my favorite thing to do at home is to do a puzzle. Look, here there is a puzzle with 260 puzzle pieces. And they are new. I'm so excited to play them. Look, here my sister will show you how to create a beautiful origami swan, just like here. You have to fold the little square piece of paper in half. Then you connect this piece to the line, just like that, and another one in the same way. Then you fold it even more and you fold it both ways even more. Nice shape. And now what do? You have to put your finger in the middle, put the swan back, the little piece back, and now Okay, you keep folding the little corner. And now you fold it outside. You fold it out. And it's finished. Is it finished?
Yes, it's finished.
And now we've got 2 swans. Oh, they look beautiful. Thanks for watching.